Hello and welcome to this session with Kinsey Tech. This time we're going to go on hands-on on what we call date formats and literals. A lot of the reports usually have a date range. People are looking for, your manager, VP of sales and marketing, he's looking for a report that happened in this month or last month or the last week or the last 90 days or last quarter or the last year. So there's always those reports. We have a million opportunities. We're not looking through all million. We're looking for the last 90 days or the last 30 days or the last week or the last 12 days or 8 days. So it's very important to be proficient. It's going to make your life much easier on what we call date formats and date literals. So let me go ahead and share my screen so we can do this hands-on together. And again, this is attached on the Kinsey Tech course. So that way you can download it and run it on your developer or sandbox or wherever you need to run your report. So now, for example, I'm looking at opportunities and I have the name. I'm selecting the name, stage name, and close date. Let's execute this. So I've selected the name, stage name, and close date from opportunity. Let's look and sort it ascending and descending. So I have things running from 2019 through 2022, May 02, 2nd of May. So now let's look at some of those literals. We have where I can add a condition where the close date is equal to yesterday. So this is beautiful. If I run it today, it's going to show me everything that closed yesterday, that had the close date of yesterday. Or if I run it next Thursday, it's going to show me Wednesday, the day before. If I run it a year from today, it's going to show the date of, a Thursday a year from today is going to show me the Wednesday because that's the yesterday of that date. Today, again, is going to show me what is on that day, but notice this is greater than today. So anything that's greater than today, what closes tomorrow and after tomorrow, I can cover it. Again, I can change the operator so it's equal to today and only shows me today, or before today and shows me before that. And that was the operators we covered in a different session. Then we have tomorrow. So equal to tomorrow. Let's say I want to run a report and share it to my sales team so they know what they're going to close tomorrow. Then I'm going to have where close date is equal to tomorrow and share that data with my sales team. In addition to that, we have the week. So we can have last week, we can have this week, we can have next week, we can have last month, this month, next month. A lot of the times businesses are doing things on a quarterly basis. So this is where you can have the last 90 days or the next 90 days already populated for you. So let's go ahead and run the last 90 days. Again, we have things from 2019 to 2022. But if I run this, I should only get things in the last 90 days. Sure enough, I have things from end of March through May. So definitely within the last 90 days. Then you can actually put the number of days. So last end days, if I put 365, it's going to pull everything for the last 365 days. I only want to see things for the last 15 days. So just put next end days and then put 15. Of course, you can put equal to, greater than, less than, and all the different operators that go along with it. Sometimes you're looking for things within that specific year. If you're in 2023 or 2022 or 2025 and whatever part of it, so you can put this year, last year, next year, this quarter, last quarter. And so those literals are very, very valuable, very, very powerful. And we need to use them as much as we can. And it really makes your life easier. Like I said, a lot of the reports, again, you have so many accounts and so many opportunities. So usually your manager, your supervisor, your business analyst, your sales team are looking for a certain date range. And this is one of the easiest and fastest ways. Again, this is not only for close date. This is for any date field that we have. We can go in and filter it, and then we can pull the last quarter, the last 90 days, the last 25 days, last week, last month, last year, and so on and so forth. This is something that's very, very valuable. Please make sure you download this file and play with the different values and make sure you master the ones that you need to use the most. Best of luck. Thank you.